Right about now, I welcome you to Kennedy Bobie Entertainment YouTube channel. Yeah, as you know, we always have this moment and hosts our people, mainly in entertainment industry. We feel like bringing that's the one and only, that is the manager, if you remember the late Mzee Bernard, may his soul rest in peace. Right here in the building, I have, that is himself, Manager Prince or Ghetto Prince. We want to hear a lot from him. Yeah, Ghetto Prince, thanks a lot for joining me.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
I think we can take off this.
Okay.
Yeah, to the viewers who are watching us, yeah, I'm called by the name of Manager Prince. Our fans, 2010 fans in UK, Australia, Denmark, Canada, Monasita, and all part of Europe. Back home here in northern Uganda, Kidgum, Lera, Patch, Abim, Moroto, West Nile, to this is Manager Prince.
Wow. Manager Prince, mainly you can also use this opportunity to make people know more about you.
Yeah, Manager Prince, I'm a simple human being, straight out of Gulu. Yeah. And actually, I Gulu, yeah, it's where I come from. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, Ugandan.
Wow.
By birth.
So anyone from Gulu there watching, yeah, Tingang TE area though. Yeah, so Manager Prince, yes. Many people had been asking your next move, yeah, after the death of our legend. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of things to do in the Empire 2000 Entertainment. Yeah. We are still strongly firm, you know, because the legend, the king of music, left us with a lot of music. Yeah. Though we also, you know, is the king of music. So as me is manager, because my talent is to discover the hidden talent and bring it to you people.
Love that.
I think my next move, that will be next year.
Yeah.
You know, next year, like probably in May.
Okay.
Yeah, we may expect to sign a new talent to keep on representing the Empire.
Wow.
2 Stars Entertainment.
No, 2 Stars Entertainment. You know, what are you doing so far to maintain that legacy?
Yeah, we all know, you know, Beniman's legacy is the biggest legacy, and I want to say it right now again. Beniman Mzee B is the biggest artist in Uganda. Wow. So his legacy is not a 1 day, 2, 3 year legacy, it's a lifetime legacy. Yeah. So it's not about Manager Prince alone high-lifting that legacy, but we, you, I, and the fans, you know, how when we release new songs, these fans have to come up and support it, show love to it. When we release new videos, they have to go on YouTube and download them. So me, what I can say, to what I've done to maintain the legacy, the promotion is still ongoing on the same way like Bernard is still alive. Yeah. They're still printing a lot of t-shirts. Wow. Still going on for Beniman, you know. They're still doing a lot. Star Studio is still there producing a lot of music.
King Beniman.
Yeah, King Beniman.
Wow, Mzee B.
Yeah.
Love that. You can also as well make us know the time you had been with the legend. Yeah, what was the experience?
Yeah, as any human being, I think being next to Beniman was the best thing ever, and losing him was the saddest. You know, because every time I wake up, every time they go by day, it feels to me like Bernard is not dead. You know, I can't still believe it that Bernard is dead. But the fact of reality, I turn right hand, I don't see him. In the left hand, I don't see him. Then I don't where I hear don't need, yeah, Bernard don't pay for me. But I think I learned a lot through being with Bernard, because he's a legend. He taught me many teachings, you know. So may his soul rest in peace. But I missed him, my soul.
You can also as well make us know there's something we need to clarify from you. After 1 week ago, you posted something on Facebook, another social media platform, about the copyrights, for the legends, music, and the rest. You can also use this time and make us know what you are trying to mean.
Yeah, to the listeners or to the viewers who are watching me right now, I think I should make this clear once again. You know, copyright. What I talked about was copyright.
Copyright, yeah.
Bernard is the big brand. It's not a small brand. So I want to say this out loud and clear. I came out on one of my media page and I said out to the people, like, there's no redoing any of Beniman's song, whether old or new. Any branded t-shirts like this one, you're not allowed to make it without having written forum with the management. That is me, Manager Prince. You understand?
Yeah.
So I came up because many upcoming artists and some of the stars in our region were now doing remix of Bernard's song. So without talking to me, without talking to any person that you might think that I can talk to, which is very wrong. Like example right now, even in Kampala, the legend that died sometimes back, like Philip Lutai, you can't wake up in the day and just go and remix the song. You have to pass through the procedures, and that I would still say anyone who tries to do Bernard's song without our notice, my brothers and sisters, it's police case.
Wow. It's a police case.
Yeah.
So I wanted to do a remix. For the first time, I go to Danny Pro.
Yeah.
I do one. Manager Prince.
You have to
permission granted. Okay. Yeah. What have you loved about Mzee B? Because we had so many artists. Yeah. What had you loved about from him?
First
and then you came up with your plans to pick him and manage actually.
Yeah, first of all, I want to say that Mzee B is an artist that everybody would love to be next to, but it's very hard again to be with him. So what I want to say, Bernard was a very nice person. The most nicest person in this world that I've ever been with, I've ever seen, I've ever met, I've ever worked with. Mzee B I'm telling you right now, in you understand? Where when he falls down, I fall down. When he gets up, I get up. We would, I don't know, but being with him was the most gracious thing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Basically, how do you feel, Lyra?
Yeah, I'm so happy to be in Lyra, though it's a small city. Yeah, but their people are so loving, you know, they're so...
Wow.
Yeah, just shout out on you, my people, my fans. Yeah, it's a blessing to be in Lyra.
Let me take on their whole behalf.
Yeah, man, you take it all.
Wow. You can sign out as you give your last words to the people who is watching us.
Yeah, to my people, I'm requesting you, wherever you are, wherever you will watch this video from, let it be of a purpose, you know. Yeah, I want you to keep on knowing that the legend himself is no longer there, but we who are still living, we still represent him, you know. So Bernard is dead in the body, but musically we still dwell together. Yeah, there's a lot of music that will be coming up, like today on Christmas. Yeah, I'm supposed to release one of the baddest songs called Remember Me.
Remember Me.
That is said by the legend. It's a very nice love song. You know, Beniman was trying to ask if we will remember when he's no more, you know. So my last word also to the entire northern music industry, because me, Manager Prince, I'm the biggest manager, and I don't only see the northern market, but northern music also crosses to other boundaries like West Nile. We have Koboko, Yumba, Jumanji.
Yeah.
Those are also all our territory, whereby like when the leg was still living, we would perform there. I remember we stayed like for 3 years without performing in northern, you know, but we were performing in West Nile. And up to now, I want it like I will again do a lot of wonder, because I feel so bad when there's no any artist right now performing in those places. Like in Lera here, away more away, even in Hudu. It pains me so much. So I, as Manager Prince, I'm coming up, I'm gonna work with a talented soul. We're going to work hard and singing. We get another Beniman.
Wow.
You understand?
Yeah.
That's what I'm going to do.
Wow.
Yeah, to my fans. Then also keep on following my page. Yeah, it's Ghetto Prince on FB, Twitter the same thing, Instagram the same thing. Yeah, Two Stars Entertainment page is still there.
Yeah.
So you also keep on liking, you keep on following, because music don't die, music never die, legends never die. But let's remember what we would share in common with Bernard was music.
Wow.
Yeah, so we should keep on loving his music. Let's keep on loving Manager Prince. You know, love us when we are there, and you also. We really want the one to deserve our legendary award. We mean welcome when we are still alive.
Wow.
You shouldn't wait when we are gone, then you say you should give it to us. Come out there with you.
That is manager Ghetto Prince.
Hey, you should give it to me, man.
Yeah. Prince, you think you're going to release another track today?
Yeah, man. Remember me.
Remember me.
Yeah.
Can we expect other songs?
Of course, we have a lot of music.
Wow.
A lot of music, man.
We sign out. You're watching Kennedy Bobie Entertainment. Thanks a lot for your time. The person behind is Andy. Thanks for supporting us. Keep following us. Like our Facebook page. You can also go there and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. Bye-bye.